Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on Castle PC builds. And today we're going to do a keyboard switch, actually keyboard key switch replacement. So here I have my K599 Redragon K599 Deimos. I'm not sure if it's pronounced right, Deimos. We're going to switch or replace the switches, which is this one as the original Redragon Outemu red switch, and I'm going to replace everything with a blue switch on some keys and brown switch on the remaining keys. So I bought the switches in Shopee, and the link will be listed down below. And hopefully, let's get started. Yeah. Here's my keyboard, the K5. So for beginners, for people who are looking for a budget mechanical keyboard and they want to use a hot swappable keyboard, or they just want a mechanical keyboard nonetheless, this is one of the greatest budget keyboards that I have ever seen. So in Lazada, in Data Blitz, in Shopee, wherever you go, if there's a Redragon product there, it might have the Redragon K599 Deimos. But for alternatives, you could actually use the Red Clutch or other keyboards as well. I'm really not familiar with keyboards, but we'll try to look more keyboards in the near future. But for right now, I'll still be using my K599. It's one of the best. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe in this video. Please like and subscribe to Castle PC Builds. Please like this video. Please like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Please follow me on other social media platforms, like I said, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And yeah, that's all. Hopefully you guys like this video, and thank you.